Hello everyone, this is Dr. Joe Powers, the principal of Jones College Prep. It is my pleasure to welcome you to our virtual open house. Jones College Prep is a unique school. It is very diverse in the city of Chicago and within walking distance of all the great cultural attractions that make Chicago such a special city. Jones is also a special city in terms of where our students come from, because we do represent the entire city. Students come to us from as far north as near O'Hare and as far south and east as the Indiana state line and all the way over near Midway. So we truly are a citywide high school. Each year we welcome almost a quarter of our student body in the form of freshmen coming in, just as many of you will be. Each freshman should know this ahead of time. This is a school for you. This is a school where every student can find more about themselves. It's a school where students can challenge themselves and are supported by an outstanding faculty and staff. Jones is a school that all of you can be proud of.
We invite you to discover Jones College Prep's academic excellence. Academic success is not just about grades. We continually encourage students to take ownership of their academic experience. We encourage our Jones Eagles to take flight and discover themselves through our rich and rigorous academic offerings. Students can do this by choosing from one of our 27 AP classes in all content areas, our dual credit program in partnership with Loyola University, our CTE law and engineering programs, as well as a myriad of honors offerings in all content areas. We facilitate preparing students for post-secondary life through our rotating block schedule. Experience the Jones Math Department. Jones College Prep offers an integrated math program where students can participate in classes starting from Math 1 all the way up to and including multivariable calculus. There are many electives to take in between. We really pride ourselves on the integrated approach that prepares students for real-life math challenges. The science curriculum at Jones College Prep is a physics-first curriculum. This means students start their freshman year taking physics and progress through chemistry and biology. These are the 3 required courses. There are also a myriad of electives for students to take, from forensics, anatomy, environmental science, AP, chemistry, physics, and biology as well. At Jones College Prep, we offer 3 world languages. We offer French, Spanish, and Mandarin. We offer all of these languages starting at the very beginning level all the way up through AP. We also offer a Heritage Speakers program for our Spanish-speaking students. Our English department at Jones College Prep is one of the most diverse English departments you'll find. While English 1 and 2 are standard English classes for freshmen and sophomores, our juniors and seniors have the most electives to choose from throughout the city. We offer AP Language, AP Literature, World Literature, Asian American Literature, African American Literature, and Latino American Literature to fulfill any of the English 3 and 4 requirements. The Jones College Prep Social Studies Department offers AP classes starting your freshman year. Students may opt in to taking AP Human Geography. We also offer AP at all the other levels for social studies, as well as a plethora of electives at both the honors and AP level that students can take throughout their high school career. At Jones College Prep, PE is a 4-year requirement, as it is throughout Chicago Public Schools. Freshman and sophomore year, students will take the standard PE 1 and PE 2 courses. However, junior and senior year, we have many offerings for students to choose from. These offerings include dance, aquatics, team sports, weight training, and PE ACES. PE ACES is a program in which our general education students have the opportunity to interact with our diverse learners from our cluster program. Students are able to be inclusive of students with special needs, and the students with special needs are able to interact with their non-disabled peers. This is a rewarding experience for both the general education and our diverse learners students. We also offer Art ACES. In the Art ACES classes, the general education students work with the teachers to plan projects and community events that will allow the students in our Diverse Learners Cluster program to interact with the community and within the Jones community itself. For visual arts, we offer all levels of digital arts and also more traditional art, such as drawing, painting, and sculpture, all the way up through studio art and AP studio art. Our performing arts department also offers a wide variety of choices for our students who are into performing arts. We offer dance, drama, vocal, and instrumental music. There are 4 levels of everything. Our instrumental music has a choice of orchestra, band, or jazz band. And choral music has a variety of different choirs that students can join. Many people already know about the Jones CTE programs. We offer a CTE law program and a CTE engineering program. In the law program, the students will take 4 years of law. The 4th year is an internship, usually with a law firm downtown or a law department of a company. Our teachers have worked as attorneys in the field and have many connections. There is a mock trial that all students participate in and many field trips throughout the city of Chicago. Discover yourself at Jones, discover the Jones experience. Thank you for taking the time to explore Jones College Prep. We look forward to meeting you in person.
So taking a break from the rigors of academics, sometimes students engage in physical activity, and that's one of the ways they find themselves here at Jones. Here is where the magic happens, the Eagle's Nest. This is where our boys and girls basketball teams and volleyball teams battle some of the best high schools in the city. On game day, our cheerleading and dance teams perform here as well. This is also home to a large portion of our PE classes. Students get to participate in units such as flag football, floor hockey, badminton, basketball, and soccer. Across the hall is our state-of-the-art pool where our boys and girls team compete in water polo, diving, and swim competitions. Other great PE programming offered is our adventure education programming, team sports, strength and conditioning courses, and our ACES programming, which is an opportunity to do physical activity with our diverse learners. All in all, we have 20 plus competitive sports for boys and girls. If physical activity is your thing, you can find it here at Jones.
At Jones College Prep, we have 60 different clubs that you can experience after school. I usually divide them up into 3 different categories. The first category is our academic clubs, such as Model UN, Mock Trial, and our robotics team. The second category for our clubs is our social and cultural clubs, such as BSU, our Black Student Union, Jones Pride, ALAS, the Association of Latin American Students, and our Asian Students Club. And our third category are our special interest clubs, such as our Harry Potter Club, our Tea Enthusiasts Club, our Dungeons and Dragons Club. Another way you can discover yourself at Jones is through our student travel opportunities. In the past, we've had student groups go to the Galapagos Islands, to the country of Spain, to the city of London, Iceland, Disneyland, many other exciting opportunities like that. Our drama department puts on a fall play and a spring musical. During the spring musical, students showcase their singing, their dancing, and sometimes even our teachers join in on the singing, dancing, and playing the music. When you come to Jones College Prep, join a club, make some friends, have a ton of fun. You can really discover yourself through all of our extracurricular activities.
Our students to thrive. Jones is a school where all of you. Jones has been recognized throughout the United States, the state of Illinois, and of course the city of Chicago as one of the top high schools in the nation. We rank 3rd in the state of Illinois on the U.S. News and World Report rankings each year. We have received 3 times the National Blue Ribbon Award from the United States Department of Education, most recently in 2020. Discover the Jones difference. Discover yourself at Jones College Prep.